welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to make a Christmas cake. So we have this super cool Christmas tree form, and we are actually going to cheat a little bit because we're going to use this cake mix, but instead of the ingredients that it says on the back, we're actually going to mix it up a little bit. Instead of water, we're going to use buttermilk, which we have right here, so 1 1/4 cups. We have, instead of vegetable oil, regular sweet butter, and then 3 eggs. And here we have our chocolate cake mix. So let's make a super duper cool Christmas tree cake. It smells yummy. Yeah. I smell it from here. So good. Okay, my little chef, you ready?
Yep.
Go. Yes, so first we're gonna do the cake mix. We're just gonna dump it all in. The whole one. Now let's add the milk, or the buttermilk, right here. Yes, do it really carefully. Okay, 1 cup, and then a 1/4 cup. 1/4 of a cup. Alright, now let's add the butter. The whole butter. It's 1 cup or 1/2 cup of butter. We actually used a little bit more. We used 1 1/2 sticks. And eggs. And then we're going to mix it all together with our super cool whisk. Let's see the cool whisk. It's got a Christmas tree inside. Alright, now let's mix.
Very hard. Okay.
Alright, now it looks like it's all mixed. What do you think? Mixed?
Yeah.
Mixed? Yes? Perfect. So now I have sprayed some coconut oil in there so that it does not stick to our pan, right? Okay. Ready to help me?
Yep.
Okay.
It's making yeah. It's
Still has a little bits of butter, but that will all melt and be extra yummy. I think the buttermilk and the extra butter make it a lot softer when it's done baking.
No, I want to
Help me.
do this.
Yep, come here.
Yeah.
Let's
No, let me.
No, подожди, не надо больше. Not too hard. Hold it. This is gonna rise. Oops, sorry. Here you go.
It's about to rise.
No, when it's done, as it's baking, it's gonna rise. And we don't want it to rise too high, right?
No.
What do you think?
Some more. Good.
Because you always want to leave a little bit of room for it to rise. You don't want it to go over the sides. As it's baking, we also don't want it to not reach the sides or the top. What do you think? Good? Yep.
Good.
Okay, perfect. So now we're going to put our cool little Christmas tree inside the oven which would preheat to what? 350 degrees. Hi friends, welcome back. So we have finished baking our cake and we actually had some extra butter left, so we made some cupcakes. So 6 cupcakes. 6 cupcakes and 1 Christmas tree cake. While that was making, we made some green icing. And then we also made some white icing for snow. So, we have let it sit in the fridge for about 24 hours just to make sure that everything is set and perfect. And now we're going to decorate the Christmas tree. Alright, so we put the frosting on our tree, so it kind of looks like a tree, and now we're going to put decorations up with super cool, colorful M&Ms. So those are going to be our Christmas lights and ornaments. It's going to be so cool and yummy.
So let's start.
Let's start.
I'm smushing them down.
Good job. We are done with our cupcakes and our Christmas tree, and it looks, the cupcakes almost look like something from Grinch, right? So we hope you had fun with us because we had a blast. For the recipe for the buttercream, we used the same one that we did for the unicorn cake, and we'll have that listed in the description, along with a link to where we got the recipe from. Hope you guys had fun, and we hope to see you next time. Bye.
Cookie Monster.
Cookie Monster.